Okay, good morning. Today pag-aaralan natin paano mag-multiply, no? Nung pinakamabilis in multiplying two-digit numbers. For example, dito we have numbers 32 multiplied by 38. When we make use of calculator, the correct answer here will be 1216. Okay, today we will teach you yung quickest method, no, na gamit ng mga Indian nationals. They start with this, no? 32 and 38 multiply. Okay, paano yung style nila? Okay, they proceed with this first column. 2 times 2 multiplied by 8 will give you 16. No? Okay. Ito naman, 3 multiplied by 3 will give you 9. And then next thing that they do is they cross multiply. 3 times 2 will be 6. 8 times 3 will be 24. Then they add is equal to 30. Now, itong 30 na to, ano ginagawa nila? Ina-add nila rito. Okay, check natin kung pareho yung answer, no? 6 plus 0, 6. 1 plus 0, 1. 9 plus 3, 12. Tama po, no? Ito yung answer using calculator. Ito naman yung answer using yung short method na gamit ng mga Indian nationals. Testingin pa uli natin, no? Another example. Let's say 35 multiplied by 30. Try natin, no? So 5 times 0 is 0. 3 times 3 equals 9. Cross multiply will give us 15. 3 times 0, 0. 0 plus 15 equals 15. Okay, so lagay natin yung 15 dito. So the answer will be 105. Para mali let's take another example. 35 times 33. Okay, 15. Okay, 15. Then 9. As cross multiply, 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 3 equals 9. Then add equals 24. Tapos nun, lalagay natin yung 24 dito. 5 plus 0, 5. 1 plus 4, 5. Then 11. Okay, the answer is 11,055. Double check natin with the long method na usually ginagamit natin sa school, no? 35 times 33. 3 times 5, 15, 1. 3 times 3, 9, 10. 3 times 5, 15. Carry 1. 3 times 3, 9. So, 10. Tignan natin kung tama. 5. Add. 5. 0 plus 5, 5. 1 plus 0, 1. Pareho. No? Shorter method nga lang ito. Okay po, kuha natin. Bye-bye.